Kiliis. They say that when there were eclipses of the moon in the sky, people had the habit of banging mattocks, pots, frying pans, and other metal objects in order to prevent the disappearance of the light of the moon. This was because they believed that a huge monster wanted to eat the moon. The hard-working people asked the animal to get away from the moon. All the people of the town tirelessly banged these things so that the mark would depart from the moon. Once upon a time, an eclipse began, and the people began to bang their metal things and kitchenware. But the monster trying to eat the moon paid no attention, and instead of leaving, went after the sun. Many people were afraid that the light would never return. The sun said to the monster, "Get away from me, and from the moon." But the monster didn't leave. He said the people were not grateful enough for the light of the sun shining on the face of the earth night and day. A thorny plant rose up and began to speak. "If I, a plant, am grateful for the rays of the sun and the light of the moon, which embrace me day and night, let us not say the people are ungrateful." The sun told the monster, "If you don't leave, the people will continue banging pots, and you will die of the noise." After hearing the strong words the sun said to him, the monster lost heart because he was really bothered by the sound of clanging metal.